This video I'll be sharing more remote jobs opportunity. Yes, more websites where you could get work from home jobs. Welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. As always, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel. On this channel I get to talk about business ideas, ways and how you can improve and grow your business. I share passive income ideas. I take you through my business journey. In fact, on this channel, anything business, anything money, just subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know why. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos. Yes, and I take you around my town of Kitchener here in Ontario, Canada. I'm sure everybody wants to know what's happening in Canada. Don't worry, you see more of that on this channel as well. To all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your feedback. And of course, you know you guys rock and you all are appreciated. So what's happening in today's video? What is happening in today's video? Not to worry, today's video I'll be sharing more remote jobs opportunity. Yes, more websites where you could get work from home jobs. You know, right, the economy is opening up and businesses now know the way to go about their virtual work, so they need more people on board. So I'll be sharing this website. Let's go right into the video. In today's video, the first website I'll be mentioning is Concentrix. It offers varieties of work from home jobs, and it cuts across the US, Canada and Europe, and depending on the country, opportunities. And please, can you see this? It is boldly written, notice recruitment and fraud alerts. Click here, check what they are saying. There are lots of fraudulent activities happening now because of online jobs. So Concentrix is a website you need to visit for work at home job opportunities. And number 2 is Aerotech. Aerotech is another website that offers remote jobs. All you need to do is click in the search bar, remote jobs available in your area, put your location, and it would give you all the remote jobs available in your area. Remote job country you are in, it displays the availability according to your country. Then number 3 is Kaplan. Kaplan is, so you can see it says search for job openings at Kaplan around the world. So it's not just the US or Canada. It is something around the world. They have openings. You can see the countries they are in. Then Africa as well. View more countries and regions. You see they're in Nigeria, New Zealand, Morocco, South Korea, Switzerland. So this is a worldwide. Kaplan is a worldwide website where you could apply for remote jobs. And number 4 is teamwork.ai. Welcome to teamwork.ai careers. As well, on this platform you could view all job positions, and it will tell you the countries where the current openings are. You can see the country, you can see the city and the language that it's being requested for. So check this website. And the 5th website is Education First. That's a website where you could apply to be a tutor, and go to their website to see what career they have available. Careers at Education First. So you see it's populating the jobs, 285 live jobs and 997 locations. Go to check out Education First for availability of remote jobs. And number 6 is Working Solutions. Working Solutions is a website where you could apply for remote jobs as well. Just go to the website and see what they have available. And number 7 is Lionbridge. Lionbridge is another website where you could apply for remote jobs. It says join us, work for the world's most trusted global communication platforms, and current job openings. Your next adventure starts here. You see their openings: the corporate associates, raters, annotators and testers, translators and agencies, interpreters. These are what they have available, and these are remote jobs that you could do. They are flexible and they are global. And number 8 is APEN. It's a website where you could work from anywhere in the world. It's not just restricted to the US or the UK or Canada. Yeah. So APEN is a website where you could get micro tax to do, you get projects to do, surveys and data collection. Just go to the website and apply for remote jobs. And on number 9 is pros.com. Yes. And this is an online community and workplace for language professionals. So if you are well versed in any language, you can come to this website to check for remote jobs that you can apply to be a translator or interpreter. This is a website you need to come to. And the last website I will talk about in this video is FlexJobs. FlexJobs is you need to subscribe to FlexJobs newsletter, and you get updates from time to time on availability of work. So that's it. Act fast. There's a video I did on work from home tips. I will link that video somewhere up there so that you could see what you need to do, especially if you're new in this whole work from home lifestyle. Yeah, that's what is happening now. So I'll put a link to that video somewhere up there. You need to watch that video and take to the tips. It helped me. It has also helped some other people. I would also put the playlist of my previous videos where I talked about websites where you could get to work from home. All these websites are still actively getting people to work for them. Okay, so if you've watched this video to this very end and you have not subscribed, oh my god, why? Please subscribe, share this video, like, comment, you know, do all the good stuff, and tell someone about this channel. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel as well. To all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your feedback. You guys rock, you know. And until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.